Dear students, today we are going to discuss loss and profit. So, before we discuss this topic, let us have some facts. CP. CP means cost price. What do you mean by cost price? Now, the price at which an, an article or object is purchased. CP, selling price, means the price at which an article is sold. Clear? And in the on the transaction of a business, either CP is more or SP is more. When SP is greater than CP, when an article is sold at a higher rate than CP, then profit is earned. So profit is equal to selling price minus CP. When CP is less than SP, when an article is sold a lesser rate than cost price, then loss is earned. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So this is the one formula. And when profit is earned, this is the condition. When loss is earned for this condition. So now profit or loss percentage is calculated on CP. आमर कॉस्ट प्राइस उपरे प्रॉफिट हो बा लॉस परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करा जाता है ताले हम सूत्र हला प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस बाय कॉस्ट प्राइस इनटू 100 or shortly SP minus CP means that is called profit by CP into 100. You can go this formula, that is the one formula. Loss percentage is equal to CP minus SP by CP into 100. If you go for loss, CP minus SP means loss by CP into 100. So using these four formulas, for an example, suppose a book is purchased, suppose a pen is purchased for ₹5 and sold for ₹7, and this is our investment money means CP, and this is our selling price. So here selling price is higher than cost price, so here profit is obtained, profit is earned, because pen is sold at a bigger rate by higher rate than cost price. So clear now? So now let us have some questions. I have taken some questions to discuss. Let us see the question. Here question number 1, you see, a watch is purchased for ₹150. से कौच गोटे वाचटा किणाला 150 टका दिया ही and sold for rupees 165. Clear? And what is the profit? से कही 150 टन दे किना गला 165 टंकार एटा बिकिला. What is the profit? So what is the profit formula? And here we have to see what is given here. Answer: given that CP is equal to rupees 150 and SP is equal to rupees 165. So profit equals to formula SP minus CP. So that is equal to rupees 165 minus rupees 150, that is rupees 15. So therefore required profit is rupees 15. So now go for the second question. Question number is what? A shopkeeper sells a book for rupees 75 and get a profit of rupees 20. से कौच गोटे शॉपकीपर कौन कला ना 75 टंकार बिकिकी केते टंका प्रॉफिट पाइला ना 20 टंका प्रॉफिट पाइला. सो व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस? ओके, सो इठी कौन देछि आंसर? गिवन दैट SP is given rupees 75 and profit rupees 20. 75 टंकार बिकिकी 20 टंका प्रॉफिट करिछि. तामाने सीपीटा ए 75 ठारू 20 टंका लेस थिबो कारण प्रॉफिट हेछि माने SP ठारू कम सीपी हेछि. तो आम ये केमी करवा ना ये आम प्रॉफिट रो फॉर्मूला नवा. प्रॉफिट इक्वल्स टू SP माइनस CP और यू राइट हियर लेट द CP बी रुपीज X. आम CP टाକୁ X ना. सो प्रॉफिट रो फॉर्मूला प्रॉफिट इक्वल टू SP माइनस CP. ताले व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट गिवन 20. व्हाट इज द SP गिवन 75 minus X or 75 minus X is equal to 20. Then minus X is equal to 20 minus 75. Minus X is equal to minus 55. So X is equal to 55. So required cost price be rupees 55. So here there is a equation method, but you can do directly because you know that SP 75 rupees, profit rupees 20. That means cost price must be 20 rupees lesser from selling price. 20 rupees तुम्हें minus कर दियो 55. You got the answer. You can go for that one also. Directly you subtract and you can go. Okay. Question number 3 you see. A bat is bought for rupees 120 and is sold for rupees 105. देखो CP is more and SP is less. Find the loss percentage. Okay, so here what is given? First to write what is given. Given that CP equals to rupees 120 and SP is equal to rupees 105. So कुछ loss percentage. Loss percentage formula CP minus SP by CP into 100. So this is not given to be calculated. So keep it. So start equal sign here. CP is 120 minus 105 by 120 into 100. So 120 that is 15 by 120 into 100. 1010 cancel. 2 5 ja, 2 6 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 2 ja. So 25 by 2 percentage. That means 12.5. 25 by 2 means 2 1 ja 2, 5 to 2 is 4, so 12.5. So required loss percentage is 12.5 percentage. Clear? So the next question is, you see here, a bookseller sold a book for rupees 100 and thereby gain rupees 20. Find the gain percentage. से कहूची गोटे बुक सेलर कौन कला ना गोटे बही को 100 टंकार किणिला आउ 20 टंका प्रॉफिट पाइला. 100 टंकार बिकिकी ए बुक सेलर सोल्ड ए बुक फॉर रुपीज 100 मीन्स 100 टंकार बिकिकी 20 टंका कौन पाइला लाभ पाइला. फाइंड द गेन परसेंटेज. क्लियर? ओके. So write here what is given here. Given that selling price is equal to rupees 100 and profit equals to profit or gain, whatever you write, same thing, rupees 20. कोई कौन कैलकुलेट करो ना गेन परसेंटेज आम कही कैलकुलेट कर. व्हाट इज द गेन परसेंटेज? क्लियर? सो राइट हियर गेन परसेंटेज इज इक्वल टू फॉर्मूला. गेन परसेंटेज इज इक्वल टू SP minus CP by CP into 100. That is your formula. But you see here what is given here. SP given, profit or gain is already given, but a CP is not given. So CP you have to calculate. First you calculate a CP, then you calculate gain percentage. How to calculate CP? Let a CP तो you can calculate here because you see the profit already. What is the profit? Profit or gain? Rupees 20 means CP must be 100 rupees lesser, 20 rupees lesser from 100, because here profit is 20 rupees, SP is rupees 100. That means CP must be 20 rupees lesser from 100. So you don't go for equation method, directly find. So CP equals to 100 minus 20, that is equal to rupees 80. जदि 80 टंकार किणुच 100 टंकार बिकुच ताले 20 टंका पाइबो ना, तो डायरेक्ट सबट्रैक्ट. अदरवाइज you can go for you can consider the cost price CPBX and you go this way, you can go. Okay, but directly you can do CP. Okay, now calculate gain percentage. So gain percentage is equal to formula SP minus CP means SP kate already profit is given na, SP minus CP means profit. So gain percentage, write once again, SP minus CP by CP into 100. You are going to calculate this one, so you start equal here. SP is how much? 100, CP 80 by 80 into 100, so that is 20 by 80 into 100, so 24 is 25, so 25%. Clear? So you go for the last question. Your question is given what? By selling a calculator for rupees 840 at a gain of 20%, it is rupees not a profit percentage. Find the cost price of the article. Cost price माने selling price देजी 840, gain percentage देजी 20%. What is the cost price? So write here question. Given that selling price is equal to rupees 840 and the gain percentage at 20%. So what is the cost price? cost price calculate. Let the cost price be रुपीज एक्स जदि एटा 20 टंका देता ताले हम 20 टका लेस करके माइनस करके बाहर कर देता सॉरी क्लियर सो लेट द कॉस्ट प्राइस बी रुपीज एक्स सो राइट द फॉर्मूला गेन परसेंटेज इज इक्वल टू SP minus CP by CP into 100 so what is the gain percentage already given so you start from left hand side so implies and give this is 20 SP is how much given 840 minus CP you have considered X by CP how much now X into 100 so clear now so now you do here 20 here 100 otherwise you go for that 20 equals to 840 minus X into 100 by X clear now you go for the cross multiplication this X will multiply here 20X is equal to 840 minus X into 100 then you go for 20X is equal to 840 into 100 minus X into 100x because this will multiply with 100 na? So this is a binomial so 100 will multiply with 840 into 100 minus okay so now this minus 100x you bring to the left so 20x plus 100x is equal to 840 into 100 so that becomes 120x don't multiply so 840 into 100 so X is equal to 840 into 100 by 120 so 1010 cancel 12 7 but 12 7 is 840 you see 12 into 7 so 7 into 100 okay 700 so required cost price is rupees 700 you see here 700 rupees here 840 rupees so obviously profit will be earned so let me discuss one more question one question a book which is sold for rupees 69 and get a loss of 8%, then what is the cost price of the book? Then how to solve it? So right answer, given that SP equals to rupees 69 and loss percentage is equal to 8%. You are going to calculate cost price. Let gross price be, let CP be X, rupees X. So loss percentage formula is equal to CP minus SP by CP into 100. So what is the loss percentage given here? That is 8. So you write here 8 equals to CP X minus SP, how much? 69 by CP X into 100. So now 8 equals to, you multiply X minus 69 into 100 by how much? X. So 8x is equal to X minus 69 into 100. So now X into 100, 100x minus 69 into 100. So 8x minus 100x is equal to minus 69 into 100. So now you minus of 92x is equal to minus 69 into 100. So minus minus cancel. So x is equal to 69 into 100 by 92. So now you go for the calculation here. So now you 6992 6992 is 23 3 ja 3 3 9 6 23 4 ja 92. So 23 3 4 400 cancel 25. So 75. So CP is rupees 75. Clear? Okay, thank you.